People keep asking me how good auto-emptying is on a Roidmi EVA, and I will show you now again. There is a test on my main in-depth review video, but what I didn't show you at that point is that Roidmi actually have a direct pipeline to the dustbin. So there are no obstacles. It is a direct line to the suction motor and dustbin inside the auto empty dock. So basically, when the suction starts, it will directly pull it from the bin, and in theory, this should be a lot better than other systems where the suction line is not direct. So let's do a quick test again.
Box is removed.
This dust box is quite a small, and it is like 90% full.
Dust box is reinstalled.
Let's test it.
Start recharging. Charging.
And now we can test the auto empty feature.
Start recharging. Pause recharging.
Wow,
Dust box is removed.
this look really nice. Really nice. It is 100% empty. There are a few dust traces, but nothing really major. Really impressive. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. See ya, guys.